Hi guys, welcome to my crazy life. It's Lori. And I have a spring clothing haul for you from a couple different stores. I was able to get out and about a little bit and I needed some spring stuff. Okay, need is a strong word. I wanted some spring clothes and I did need some shorts that I could pull on, elastic waisted, I guess. It's been warm the last few days and I don't have that kind of shorts. My preference in shorts, I should say, is like a structured pant, button zippers, cotton, Bermudas, denim, but I can't button. I mean, I could probably get it buttoned, but it would hurt to do that. So we're sticking with elastic for now, and I'm just got back from the doctor from a little, well, Friday, today's Sunday. And I am definitely in the sling for the next 6 weeks. So, and then I start physical therapy. Yes. So, such is life, but he did a good job. The pain is getting better. I'm definitely over the flu. Thank you for all your good wishes. I'm trying to respond to comments. It's just a little hard, but I'm thinking today, whoa, what happened to the light in here? Did I just turn purple? I'm not sure what's going on. It's a rainy, dark day, and the lighting is a little weird. But anywho, I'm over the flu. I will answer your comments. Hopefully today I'll be able to do that. I'm gonna try to get my laptop hooked up. And shoulder is tender, but it's healing. I got the stitches out. So now it's just a matter of letting everything internally heal before I can start moving it around. So we're kind of, you know, stuck in the life of broken. All right, well, let me get to it. So, just a little background about me. I will buy clothes anywhere. If I like it, I'm buying it and I don't care. I don't need name brands. I don't need expensive. Will I buy expensive clothes? Sure, if they fit and they look good. But I also will buy inexpensive clothes if they fit and they look good, because I don't care. I'm not a brand person. I'm a fit person. So, this haul is from Old Navy and I think just Walmart. And Walmart's always my surprise because I don't shop there frequently, only because I prefer Target, and my Walmart is always busy, very busy. But my niece, hi Sarah, she shops at Walmart where she lives, and she told me about these shoes. I love these shoes. This is the Walmart brand. These are in pink and they were $9.94. And look at the heel. There's a little embroidery on them. I'm obsessed with this type of a shoe for the summer. Slip them on, go. I had several pairs that I bought at Target, but they're like $24.99 a pair. These are almost identical, and they're also a dupe or I guess like a copy of the Steve Madden, which are 60 something. So I was in Walmart the other day, tried them on. Now I will say they don't come in half sizes. So I went up to a 9. I put the 8 on. It fit, but my toe hit this rubber up here in the corner, and that was very uncomfortable for me. So I went up a size because these are just slip-on summer go. And these even actually have some memory foam in them, which is nice. Not a requirement for me, but nice. And they came in white, this pink, a denim and white polka dot, and maybe a black, maybe, but I don't want black shoes for summer. So I grabbed those, $9, $9.94, and it's Time and True brand. So I grabbed those. And then, like I said, I needed some elastic shorts. I'm gonna try to do this. Here we go. So I got these. Why don't I just fold them in half and show you? And I've bought these before. These are $6.88. They're just like in the fitness section, and these are pretty lightweight in this coral color. They do have a drawstring, and they have pockets. And most importantly, I'll be able to get them on. So these are $6.88, and I have 100 t-shirts I can wear those with. Speaking of t-shirts, this does not go with those, but I also picked up this. Come on. Don't be blurry. Hi. This orange and white stripe. It's like a burnt orange. Cute cute tank t-shirt. Now at Walmart, I have a hard time with their sizing. It just depends on the shirt and the fit. I went with a 2X. I think I could have got this in a 1X, but the reason I love it, it's a long torso. I hate shirts that shrink up into a midriff. This was $5.96, and this is Terra and Sky brand, but it's nice and long, and it is a little big on me. Like I said, I guess I could have went with the 1X, but trying things on right now, 60% cotton. I'll throw it in the dryer if it shrinks, but if it doesn't and I wear it the next 6 weeks and I'm able to get it on without any discomfort, then I'm happy. And they had it in like a navy blue and white, and they also had it in some solid colors, but I hope you can see that color. And it's pretty soft too, which I appreciate. I like a nice t-shirt. Also at Walmart, I'm slightly obsessed with this, and I don't know if there's 100 more. I should go buy them. It's just a tank top, you know, but it's nice and long too. But can we talk about the print? Look at the hummingbirds. Now, these are designed to be tight, and I knew I was gonna have to get it on, so I went with a 3X in this. It's called a ribbed tank. They were $3.94. I buy something very similar at Old Navy to wear under cardigans and all of that. I mean, we call these wife beaters. I'm not really sure. I don't really like that term, but I don't know what else to call them. It's just a ribbed tank. And I definitely know they had a floral one that I'm gonna go back and get. But I loved this with the hummingbirds. And I have a gazillion tank tops, but when I saw this, and it's gonna go under, which also came from Walmart, this like athletic shirt that I can wear when I ride my bike. I can wear it to the gym, or I can just wear it. And this was $8.88, and it's like a silky, and look at the back. So I definitely would want a tank top under it. I mean, you can see my thumb through it. So I grabbed the tank top with the hummingbirds to wear under this. I also went with a 3X in this. All these like clingy, silky thingies, I definitely at Walmart upsize. So I got those two. So that was what I bought. I think it was like $40 maybe. I don't remember. No, that was at Old Navy. So that's what I got at Walmart. They had some cute sundresses. I may go back, but for now, I mean, I really need to kind of evaluate what I have before I go buy more. And trying on clothes is a little difficult, so I'm trying to buy things that I know will fit me. So then our next stop was Old Navy. And I grabbed these linen shorts with the drawstring that you can adjust. And these have a side pockets and a back pocket. I've bought these before. I love, love, love these. I've bought them in pants before. The shorts I have are way too big. These are an extra large. And again, I probably could go with a large, but the reason I don't buy these specific shorts tighter is you can straight up see your underwears through them. So this is a khaki, and it's like a linen blend. And I will wear these all summer. I'll wear them all the time. I just didn't have any currently that fit me. And they're really comfortable and cute. You can dress them up, dress them down. Super cute. And then I got them in this color, purple. Hi, baby. Like a lavender almost, or I don't know what. It's purple, lilac-y lavender color. Same thing. And I believe these have the 5-inch inseam. I definitely will not go less than 5 inches, I can tell you that. And then to go with these, I picked up this shirt, which I am in love with, and I can wear to work when I get to go back to work. It is long sleeved, but it's a super lightweight fabric. If you can't tell, I love stripes too. And it's just a plain top, you know, tunic at the top, and it has at the bottom the little knot in the front. So that actually fits my waist perfectly in my long torso, and it hits me right at the right spot. Hi, buddy. So I got this to wear with these shorts, and I spent $38 at Old Navy. So the shorts were $22.99 half price, and this shirt was $24.99 half price. So they were all about $12. Now, for me and Old Navy have a love-hate relationship. I love their pants. The pants always seem to be better quality than the shirts, and I don't understand how that even works. Sorry, I'm trying to fold and it's not being very effective. Here we go. Speaking of folding, my niece came over yesterday to help me fold laundry, and it's so sad. So I said, well, I had some jeans and things that just need to be hung up that I can't wear. So we did all that, and then we took all the clothes that I'm going to be wearing now, like t-shirts, cardigan thingies, I'm wearing like, I'm thinking they're lounging pants, navy blue lounging pants from Kohl's. We left them all in a basket, so I don't have to go through drawers. That's sad, but you know, whatever. It's easier for me to be able to do laundry and just fold it and put them back in the basket than it is to put everything in drawers and have to go trying to open drawers every morning. So what I've done, I set up a system. I've got a dirty clothes basket and a clean clothes basket. And as I fill the dirty one, I wash it, fold it the best I can, fold it, and put it in my clean clothes. And then I just get dressed out of the clean clothes basket in the morning. And I would tell you that the challenge, you know, I get up. This morning I was up at 5 a.m. because I'm not a back sleeper, so I was struggling a little bit to sleep. And it will get better as the pain, you know, subsides and I'm able to get into different positions. But, so I was up at 5. I'm like, all right, no more coming down, having coffee, chilling out, going back up. I get out of bed, I go to the bathroom, I take a shower, I get dressed, and then I come downstairs because it's work. It's work getting this brace off and getting through the shower, drying my hair, and putting a shirt on. That's the hard part. Once that's done, it's fine. And there's no changing my clothes multiple times a day. Oh yeah, anyway, so I got off topic. The Old Navy pants I wear to death. Shirts, I just don't get a lot of wear out of them, and I'm not sure why. The fabric is so different, but they're $12, so I'm not gonna worry. There was another store I wanted to check out. It's called Cato, and I feel like it's the new way. If you remember, what was the name of that store? Oh, it left me. There was a clothing store. There were a lot of strip malls. They went out of business years ago, but they had regular sizes on one side, plus size on the other. And I can see the store, but I can't remember. But anyway, so we have a store called Cato, C-A-T-O, very similar. And, you know, not great quality clothes, but cute, couple time wear stuff. So I'm going to check that out while I'm recuperating and, I don't know, get some projects going around here. I got my knitting out. I can knit one-armed. So that kind of made me happy. But I think that's everything for my clothing haul for now. You know, for my spring, I don't need to go nuts. I've got plenty of clothes, but I just wanted a couple things. And I was feeling kind of blah yesterday, so I'm like, let's go shopping. So, like I said, Sarah came. She helped me out. We went shopping. Although I went to Walmart by myself on Friday, but I highly recommend those little shoes if you like a throw on and go kind of shoe. And they're super cute with denim. I wear them to death in the summertime. If I'm not wearing flip-flops, I usually have these type of shoes. And I wear them to work. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, they're acceptable for me to wear to work. They're cute and they're washable. So if they get dirty, you just throw them in the washing machine, throw them in the dryer, and they're, I would like to say good as new, but that's really not the case. All right, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed my little bit of a fashion show. I literally have 2 cats sitting here staring at me. They're not happy. They want, I don't know what they want. It's spring. They want out. One of them doesn't even go out. The other one is in and out, in and out. Yeah. All right, everybody. Have a good one. Bye.